The campaign's called Ready from Factory. And really the aim was to show the capability of a stock car being pushed to the limit. So we have this private track and we have Antoine.
He is a 10-time Canadian rally champion, a perfect embodiment of what Subaru Rally in Canada means.
When you think it's a street car that somebody can buy off a dealer just like that, it's already powerful, very good suspension. What we did with it today in gravel and the big abuse of it, yeah, they're great cars.
Having a helicopter ties into the history of rally racing because the aim of this was to remind people Subaru has a deep history with rally racing, and the way you capture the best rally races in the world is with a helicopter.
The Russian arm is an amazing tool we had out here. Having the versatility of that arm on the moving vehicle and being able to swing that arm all around it is incomparable to anything else.
We've had these cars on asphalt, we've had them on gravel, we've had them on dirt, in their true natural habitat in the rally environment. And I think we've had extended opportunity to really kind of showcase that these cars are definitely ready from factory. And I think this spot will demonstrate that, so thanks to everybody involved.